My name is Diane McGregor, and I'm the Director of Family and Community Solutions here at KW Counselling Services. I'm also the Project Manager for our exciting new project, Exploring the Future of Parenting Education. So we are so excited to have so many of our community partners here with us today as we're all sitting down to learn about the design thinking process. We know it's going to be an amazing afternoon, and we're really excited to get down and get working and learn about the methods of design thinking. In developing this project, we partnered with Overlap, a design company in downtown Kitchener.
Okay. All right. Well, welcome again. We are going to have a busy afternoon for you. Everybody should have a booklet in front of you, and this will be your booklet to take home. You get to hang on to this, and it's got lots of little tidbits there. We're going to be working with it this afternoon, but there's some good takeaways to be able to read and get a little more in-depth on design thinking. So design thinking is really an innovative process that allows us to take rational knowledge and intuitive knowledge and kind of bring them together to solve problems for end users. So today we're going to be doing an experience like that, and we're going to use something that hopefully everybody's familiar with, and that's a grocery shopping experience. Right? So we're going to need you to get into partners, and we're going to get started right away. You're going to interview your partner about their shopping experience. And what we'd like you to do is write down everything that you can about what your partner is saying about their grocery shopping experience. So you'll notice there's different categories there: thinking, seeing, saying, feeling, doing. You want to capture those things. Any other notes or any other things of interest, things they like or dislike, you can capture on that page as well. And we have now just completed our research stage, all right? You just did research. And we're ready to move to the next stage, which is define. This is where we define the problem that we're going to work on. And what you're going to do in the same partners that you just worked in is you're going to come up with some how might we statements. And how might we statements are problem definition statements. It's the question that we want to explore as we go through the process. If we go to page 11 now, this is where you guys are going to come back together as your design team. And what I'd like you to do is each take a turn going around and just kind of explaining your idea to the rest of your table. As we do that, you'll notice on page 11 we have what we call a feedback grid. And this is something that we do all the time as we work with different projects. We'll go through and we kind of take an assessment of what did people like, you know, as we present an idea. What did they decide could be improved on? What questions did it bring up? And what new ideas did it spark? We've done our research. We've done our define, our problem definition. We've done some ideation. And now we're on to prototyping, which is my favorite part. It's really exciting. So what you're going to do is, see there's a nice big space there? This is, we're calling it combine and extend. What we're saying now is you've shared your favorite ideas that you've tabled. You've got a little bit of feedback on them. Now we want your group to come up with one large sketch, and it can combine some of the different ideas. We've done our sketch, and now it's time to build. And this is where you might have noticed we have some items up at the front of the room. We have some Play-Doh, pipe cleaners, scissors, a bunch of different things. And what we'd like you to do as a team is build your prototype. Prototypes, the reason we use the supplies we've used and just said you can use whatever you can find around the room is it should be inexpensive. It's just a way to construct and interact with your ideas in more of a physical or a different way to start to learn and to test them.
I'm sure, as you know, this is the process that we will be going through over the next 18 months as we start getting out there into the community and talking to parents and anybody, any adult that is invested in the life of a child in their lives, right? And so I think you can probably see the power of how this kind of methodology applied to parenting education has kind of like a big, wide open possibility, right?
For more information about our project, Exploring the Future of Parenting Education, check out our KW Counseling website and click on our button, Parenting Now, Parenting Tomorrow.